Which way? Straight. Ooh, very close. Yeah, right guys, you're probably thinking what's going on, but yeah, just thought we'll update you what's going on with the red Subaru. The battery's flat. We're gonna put jump leads on it now and start it up and go around it and show you what we have been doing all this time. We have been delaying it a little bit because the fuel prices and that have gone a bit up and everything's been a bit crazy and haywire. Plus we've been fixing other little bits and bats around the house and, you know, just taking it a bit easy on the projects. Because as you know, they do cost a lot, so we thought we'll save a little bit and then get it all done at once. So I think we are cracking on now, and just like to say thank you to everyone for following our journey. It's been a fun one and we have enjoyed it together. Okay, so on your Subaru Impreza 1993 version 1 to version 6 onwards, to see if it's had its still got its original arches, all you do is put your torch in here and you look for welding marks that connects to the arch there. If you've got no welding marks in there, then you know you've still got your original arches. Also, another place is where the rust is down the bottom here. One way to check is when you take your bumper off, to see if it's still got its metal solid area out here. As you can see, all original, has not been welded, thankfully. So yeah, I was quite surprised at this Subaru. It's still all in one piece. Even this back bumper bar, usually they rust that much, you just touch them and they just crumble. It's still got its all original back bumper bar, which I was quite surprised of. Even on the driver side, everything is still intact. So yeah, pretty clean Subaru this. Inside here?
Yeah.
So that's your water temperature, that's your oil temperature, and that's your boost gauge. So you know when the more pressure your turbo makes, whoosh, whoosh, that's that. Let it come forward, let it come more forward. Keep going, that's it now, let it go back. Right, we've got helpers, How you doing?
Good.
Who wants to try using the jet wash? You want to try it first? Come on then.
Oh, no.
Press it. There you go, not too close. There you go. Take all the dust off. Do you want to have a go? Let go. Do you want to have a go? Come on then, let's see if you can do it. Please, from the bottom. Yeah, that's it. Yes! Wow, big man! Yes, strong boy, huh? Wow, you're doing a very good job. Move on the way before it soaks you. That's it, get all the dirt off. So just a cup full in there. Right. Now, you have to mix it and make bubbles. Oh, Leo's doing it, yeah, make bubbles. Get the sponge. Squeeze, squeeze. There. Now come on the car. This is his first time I think doing this.
Yeah.
Yes, there you go. He's a natural. He's a natural. Let Leo have a turn because he can reach further up. There you go, guys. Leo. Don't wipe you're wiping you're washing this part of the car as well with your stomach. We're teaching you now, so when you get a bit older, you can wash all our cars. That's what we're teaching you, isn't it?
Yeah.
He knows, isn't it? He knows. But you don't know how to wash a car yet, so we still need to teach you, alright? Oh, this one's good. This one's quite good, you know. He's on fire. Whatever you do, let's just say the sponge drops on the floor. You gotta put it back in the bucket and make sure there's no stones on it, yeah? Yeah, clean everything. Clap for COVID, NHS kids is gone, you know.
You did it for me, remember?
Yeah, I did it for you.
I still got
Guys, check out that video if you haven't seen it when I was clapping for these kids when they did stay home in lockdown. It's a short video, but it's on our YouTube channel, isn't it? I did some crazy claps for you boys. Have you watching Karate Kid? Wax out, wax out!
Yeah, I've been watching it. Oh yeah.
Okay, so we've give the car a good wash, and we're just going over all the imperfections it doesn't have. As you can see here, it does have a little ripple in the paint. We have sanded this wing down, but we haven't buffed it yet. Oh my god, look at this! It's got something on the door. Just needs a good sponge. Yes, that's that. This door's not too bad. This door's not too bad, but the back arch, we have had new arches fitted, welded in professionally, but what we were struggling was to smoothen in the new panel to the old panel, but we did eventually get there. My brother has been trialing and failing, but in the end we did get there. So now this panel is smooth, but what we need to do is sand down the full quarter, because as you can see, the lacquer has started lifting on the quarter. So we thought we might get away with just blowing it in, but it looks like we're gonna have to take all these trims off and everything. If anyone knows how to take these trims off without maybe breaking the clips or without bending the trim, let us know, because we've never taken these trims off. Even this trim here, we've never taken it off. So now let's move on to the back. So we've took the bumper off to make sure there's no rust in the end. To be honest with you, I'm quite shocked of how clean this is under here. Look at that. We've washed it obviously, but no rust, nothing. It's very clean. It's still got the original lacquer on it from factory. Coming back under here, look how mint it is. Literally, some cars don't even have this back panel here, but look how clean it is. It's mint in it, boys. Yeah. These are all following me having a look.
Size the exhaust.
Size of the exhaust, yeah, it's huge. Yeah, so this side going again, very clean. Don't need rusting. He's had this is his first set of arches as well, if you didn't know. So this side again, yeah, we put the arches on. But what we might have to do is, have you seen here, it is very close to the tyre, so we probably are going to have to cut this back a little, because it looks like the arches come bigger from factory, because otherwise it will touch the tyre. And we might also have to get camber arms, rear camber arms, because it's the reason why we had to put new arches on these. Remember when you was telling me don't hammer it, the arch is gonna blow off. Remember when you were hammer? Yeah, it's been about a year or something, but yeah, the arch was touching, so I got hammer and the whole arch ended up dropping out. So yeah, it's pretty clean. Even under here, if you have a look, it's still got its original piece. We just put a little bit of extra metal here for strengthening, but the rest of it's all original, very clean. Look, no rust or anything. So yeah, it's very clean. This door's lacquer started peeling a little bit. Sorry, I forgot about the spoiler. Look at the state on the spoiler. The spoiler and the boot lid will definitely need spraying. It's gone from red to pink. That side's kind of more red, this side's pink. That's the thing with red cars, they always fade, don't they? Yeah. So yeah, this door will probably need spraying. This door doesn't look too bad, but it looks like we're gonna have to probably spray the whole of the car. This have started to rust slightly, but yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you the update and the progress so far of the red Subaru. But yeah, we are getting there, aren't we? Yeah. We are getting there. We are trying our best to fix it and get along with it. It's just time and costing at the minute, with everything gone so expensive because of the war. The fuel is gone to £1.80.
£2? No, £2.
So, £2 now nearly. So even with your lot's little mini motor projects and that, it's gonna have to wait till the war's over. Are you gonna be alright with that? We're gonna have to fix it. So yeah, guys, the weather is getting better, so we are going to start fixing these lots of bikes. They have been behaving, they've been reading them on the Mars and everything, so they have been good.
Can I tell you something?
What?
Do you know But when I can drive, it's all the cars are going to be electric.
Yeah, so by the time he drives, all the cars are going to be electric. So he's enjoying his time now, listening to the Subaru engines, and you know the mini motors going, meh, 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 you know, all of that. So yeah, he's enjoying his time. So yeah, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Comment as well.
See you
Comment
in the
as well
next
what
one.
your favourite car is.
Follow the journey.
It's not a game, it's a